My name is Dahlia and I'm using yellow cheese. That is 1 pound, and I'm making CHEEZ. CHEEZ are yummy. I'll make another video after I'm done doing this, and I'm also cutting this. Bye! Hi guys, I'm back and I have 1/2 cup of butter. I have cheddar cheese. It is 1 pound. I have court salt, 2 teaspoons. I have flour, 2 cups, and I have 4 tablespoons of water. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to turn this. I'm going to put the butter, but first I'm going to cut it into little pieces in here. I'm going to do it a little small for the blender doesn't get that bad. So then I go to the next one. And then the next one. I do it, and then, so I'm going to use that much butter. So the butter I'm going to put first with the cheese. And I'm going to put the knife here. So I'm going to put the butter in here. And all the cheese. Then I'm going to put the rest of that. So because it's getting a little hard, I'm going to take it out here. But well, actually, I'm just going to put the cheese and hope none falls. So the cheese, we have a lot of it. And after I'm done with putting the cheese here, I have to let it mix with the butter. Oh, I didn't do this one right. I'll just do this. I'm going to put it to the number 2. But first, let me get all the cheese like that. Put like that, like that. So I'm going to put it up. No, it was already up. Okay, so I'm going to put it to 2. It's going to mix for about 5 minutes or so. I'll be back then. Goodbye. Hi guys. So I'm getting my batter, which is humongous. I'm going to roll it up until it's a flat, like a big cheese it. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm done rolling up my dough. And I preheated the oven to 375. I'm going to be cutting these into little squares like this, and this, and then this. If you have a curved side, it's okay. So then I'm going to cut up a little, do like that. I'm going to carry it with each tool, this one or this one. And I'm going to grab it with it. I hope not to do that. And I put a hole there. Thanks, bye. Hi guys, like I said last time, we were gonna do the crackers and we did them. And like I said last time, we preheated our oven for 375 and we're gonna put our Cheez-Its in for their 15 minutes. And I'll show you how they look, and I will show you how they even taste, sorta. Bye. Hi guys, the crackers got ready and they're super good. I wish you were here to taste them. My whole family likes them. So good. Bye. See you next time.